Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Nigel D'Souza and joining me as always is Mangalam Malu. Well, Mangalam, good going for the Nifty. The Nifty Bank is a little bit under the weather, but still the Nifty is holding with some gains of closer around 30 points odd. Well, a good time to get in our technical expert on the show. Shivangi Sarda joins us on the show. Hi, Shivangi. Hope you had a good weekend. What's your trade on the index? We're up closer to 25-30 points odd, but the Nifty Bank is not participating, which is preventing us from moving higher. Your take?
Good morning, Nigel and Mangalam. Thank you for having me on the show. Happy Easter to all who are celebrating. And we've seen that, Nifty has been, in strength from the last few sessions, and we've seen higher highs, higher lows in the index. And it has moved around 700 points in the last 1 week's, time. And overall, FII's long-short ratio have also improved. They have increased their longs, and this indicates that overall undertone of the market is quite bullish. Now, the volatility index had been cooling down in the entire week in the previous, we've seen. But today's slight increase in the, volatility is causing some sort of a range-bound move in the Nifty. But overall, the undertone is quite positive and recommending to utilize any dips as a buying opportunity. And a hold of 17,442 levels over here would take the index above to 17,777 levels immediately. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen that this index has been underperforming the broader market from the last 3 sessions, and some of the heavyweight banking stocks are moving quite range bound and not supporting the index. But overall, with the Nifty's view, the Bank Nifty's view is also intact to positive, and we would expect 41,250 levels over here with a support near 41,250 levels over here with the support near 40,750 levels.
All right, take that point on the individual indices, Shivangi. In fact, as you speak, the India VIX has moved closer to the high point of trade. Of course, over the last few trading sessions, it had slipped sub the 12 level, and now, as we speak, is around 12.5 on the India VIX. Individual stocks, what are you looking at? I mean, you are positive on both the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank with belief that maybe we will inch higher levels. The mid-cap index and individual stocks, what are your thoughts?
So individual stocks I have on my radar is first is DLF. We've seen that the March series ended with 98% rollover as we head towards the April series, and this stock has been resilient despite the market volatility from the last few months. Now it's come out of its range on weekly frame, and we've seen a breakout over there as well. It has been continuously forming higher lows from the last 5 sessions and holding quite strong with momentum in this entire space, in fact. In this stock, specifically in the series so far, we've seen short covering and longs being built up at these levels as well. So recommending a buy here with a target near 414 and a stop near 385 levels. Now, second pick would be MGL. This stock has been making higher highs from the last 3 months and indicating that gradual shift in the price range has been taking place in the stock. This stock was unable to hold above 1,000 levels from the last 20 sessions, and it is now holding above those levels and quite resiliently and quite strongly. So recommending a buy here. It's also given a breakout on its weekly frame. So the next levels which we could see here is 1,050 levels with a stop near 990.
All right. Thanks so much, Vangi, for stopping by and giving us all of those details.